morning, crafters. Today I'm designing for KS Crafts Lover Store on AliExpress, and also they have an Amazon shop. So today we're going to be making this really super cute ginger shaker tag, and this is the little die right here that we're going to be using, and I think it turned out super stinking cute. So let's go ahead and get started. On working on our little tag right here, and I really love this little gingerbread house. I thought it was so stinking cute, and I was so excited when KS Craft sent it to me. I was gonna buy it anyway, so this is just a plus for me. But let's go ahead and go through some of the pieces, okay? So your back piece, which is your bottom piece, okay, is the one with a little chimney on it, and I went ahead and cut that out in red, and I went ahead and drew in my little chimney there. Okay, your second layering piece is going to be your foam, okay? Or you can do several layers of paper or chipboard, it's up to you. But that is this one right here, okay? And not only that, it also creates a inside to the house, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and use that piece too. Then you're going to also want to cut this one more time to go ahead and put your top piece right on your foam, okay? Unless you want your foam white, that's, you know, part of the little gingerbread house or whatever you want to do, you can do that. But I wanted to use these little gold flecks. So basically, it's going to start layering up like this, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and glue these on here, but we'll go through all that in just a minute. But anyway, let me go ahead and go with the next piece. So your next piece, you're going to cut this out twice. First, you're going to cut it out with the acetate. I don't know if you can really see that. And then you're also going to use your pattern paper, okay? Or if you want to use, you know, like gingerbread color paper. That's up to you, okay? Now you also will get these little pieces right here. And these will make your little candies. So we have our little candy canes. Oh, and one thing I suggest is that you, before you glue these together, you want to glitter this first, because I realize I end up having to dig a whole bunch of glitter out of this particular one right here. But anyway, and then you have your little peppermint, you have your little gumdrops, you have your little lollipop. Sorry, my hands are in the way. You also have your rooftop, which I went ahead and glittered that, and I actually used a piece of foam for that. You also have your little holly, and this is the little piece that goes on top of my lollipop. I haven't glued that yet. And then also the little snow for my chimney, okay? So you also get, you know, you can make more of these if you want to. It's just up to you how much you want to decorate. The paper collection that I'm going to be using today is Bo Bunny's Candy Cane Lane. This is an oldie but a goodie. I found it in my stash, so I'm like, heck yeah, let's go ahead and use it. But anyway, you could layer more of these on here. Here's a thinner one right here. It's just up to you how you want to do it. I'm sorry, let me get that more in the shot. Okay, so I went ahead and kept these together just because it was easier for me, and then I separated some of the others. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started putting it together. Hey guys, I really love how this little gingerbread house shaker turned out, and putting it on a tag was absolutely a great idea for present and gift giving. These two little dies, actually the snowflake die and then this Merry Christmas, was just from my stash, and I used some glitter paper, and this I just used white cardstock, and then these I got from Michael's, and again these are from the Dollar Tree. I love those little things. They're great little accents to build up your layering and stuff. So anyway, don't forget to visit KSCRAFT's Alley store and also their Amazon shop and their Facebook page. I'll have all those links down below. I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. And don't forget, if you create this cute little tag or anything that you create, please share it in my Facebook group, Salty Beach Scrappers. Hope you have a wonderful and fabulous weekend, guys. Bye.